Let's make Vietnamese peanut sauce. This easy 10-minute recipe is one of my all-time favorite dipping sauces. It's the perfect pairing for Vietnamese spring rolls. And it's also great with chicken satay, chicken wings, or as a salad dressing. It's creamy, savory, and loaded with garlic. All of the ingredients for this recipe can be found at your local Asian grocery store, or I've linked to all the ingredients in the recipe at takes2eggs.com. First, we will make the Nuoc Cham. This is a Vietnamese staple sauce and gives the peanut sauce a bold umami flavor. The key is to use fresh lime juice and minced garlic. In a jar, add the sugar, fish sauce, lime juice, water, garlic, and sambal, and mix until combined. Next, heat a saucepan over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of neutral oil. Toss in the garlic and saute for 30 seconds until fragrant. Then add the peanut butter, hoisin sauce, water, and Nuoc Cham. Stir and mix until thoroughly combined. Then pour in the cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Stir until the sauce is thickened and then remove from the heat. This peanut sauce is best served immediately, topped with crushed peanuts and bird's-eye chilies. It's rich, savory, and absolutely addicting. You have to try this with my Vietnamese spring rolls recipe. And be sure to like and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes to try next.